We are here today in South Williamsburg at 51 South 1st Street, and we are going to tour one of the most expensive penthouses on the market right now in Williamsburg. This penthouse is not in a tall tower teeming with amenities, but this penthouse has one thing that no other penthouse in Williamsburg has. 51 Domino is a boutique condo on South 1st Street with only 8 apartments. It sits 1 block off of the waterfront and right across the street from Domino Park. Now, I've seen a lot of penthouses, but this penthouse comes with its own private roof deck, a barbecue, grilling area, and a private pool right on the rooftop. Let's go see it. The building's facade is stunning. Designed by Arc Architecture Design and Studio, modern curved concrete bands wrap around warm wood tones with arched openings framing every floor. Penthouse A opens with a private keyed elevator. You press one button and it takes you straight to your door. No hallway and no neighbors walking past your unit. You enter into a gracious foyer, which leads you into an expansive living room space. 10-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling glass. This room opens straight onto a covered terrace.
Indoor-outdoor living. You have water and electric out here. This is covered, so you can have your furniture out here year-round.
The floors are walnut laid out in a chevron pattern. A gas fireplace grounds the main living space, giving the room a natural gathering point for daily life and hosting. And notice something you don't see. No bulky vents, no visible hardware. The doors are frameless and flush with the walls. That's intentional. It keeps the sight lines clean. The kitchen is anchored by a full slab Cristallo quartzite countertop and backsplash. Functioning as more than a work surface, it's the visual centerpiece of the room. Behind the millwork, you have a double-wide Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer, and a wine fridge. All concealed and seamless. Nothing interrupts the design. It all disappears behind the millwork. The primary bedroom is generous in size and has northern views of the city skyline. There's a huge built-out walk-in closet.
Built out of one piece.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Not done a lot.
Yep, exactly.
But the bathroom is where this building really separates itself. Walk in and the whole feel of the room shifts. The bathroom is clad entirely in travertine, floor to ceiling, wall to wall. No tile lines breaking up the surface, no seams interrupting the stone. That continuity is what gives this room its calm. Elegant cutout niches keep the lines clean while still giving you real storage. Every fixture in the bathroom is Waterworks, solid quality and elevation. There are 3 bedrooms in total, and down the hall, the second and third bedrooms are just as gracious in size and have the same Manhattan skyline views. They share their own bathroom, appointed with a double vanity and a shower and tub combo with a fluted glass wall. Same quality waterwork fixtures and the same zen feeling as the primary. Every bedroom in this home gets real light. That's the advantage of a boutique building. No dark interior rooms, no borrowed light. Every room has its own exposure. Now here's what makes this specific penthouse different from almost everything else in Williamsburg. This roof deck belongs to Penthouse A. Not shared, not a building amenity you book in advance. It's private to the penthouse. A heated pool, an outdoor kitchen, an outdoor shower. And when you turn around, the Manhattan skyline and the East River are right there. Now the building is one thing, but the biggest amenity here is what's right outside your door. You're steps away from Domino Park and the vibrant waterfront. Now Domino Park isn't just green space. It has a lot more to offer. Domino Square opened right inside the park, with Stretch Pizza and Frida Burritos both serving food right there. Play beach volleyball in the summertime against the Manhattan skyline, and in the winter, that same square turns into an ice skating rink with the East River as your backdrop. And the neighborhood speaks for itself. Williamsburg's most celebrated restaurants, cafes, bars, and boutiques offer an unmatched neighborhood experience. From Michelin-starred dining to beloved local mom-and-pop shops. Transportation access includes the JMZ and the LNG subway lines, as well as the NYC ferry. Penthouse A is the last remaining unit in this building, and it's priced at $4,650,000. There's 1,173 square feet of private outdoor space between the terrace and the roof deck. There's 1,903 square feet interior. The common charges and taxes are very reasonable, considering this amount of square footage both interior and exterior. A big thank you to the Luxury Alliance team at Serhant for allowing us access to this beautiful property. That was the penthouse at 51 Domino. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was really beautiful. I love the lines and I love the curves that they included into the interior as well as the exterior of the building. Let me know what you thought of the apartment in the comments. I'm Ralph and this is Brooklyn Waterfront Living. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.